Hello friends, today we will solve a numerical based on the speed control of DC series motor by resistance method. So our question is, a series motor runs at 800 rpm when the voltage is 400 volt and the current is 25 ampere. The armature resistance R is 0.4 ohm and the series field resistance is 0.2 ohm. Determine the resistance to be connected in series to reduce the speed 600 rpm with same current. This is the given condition that current is we have to keep the same current. So the circuit diagram is this is the series DC motor 400 volt and EMF back EMF generated, and the series armature resistance is 0.4 ohm and field resistance is 0.2 ohm, and N1 is given as 800 rpm and N2 which is given as 600 rpm. Here we know that this is series DC motor, so IA1 is equals to will be IF1 because the field current and armature current will be same. This is given as 25 ampere. So we know that the EMF generated is directly proportional to phi n, and also we can write as, because the flux is directly proportional to IF, so we can write it n is this is directly proportional to EMF is directly proportional to IF n. So condition is given as we have to find the resistance which is to reduce the speed 600 rpm with same current. So in the second condition the current will be same. So IF1 will be is equals to IF2. IF1 will be is equals to IF2. So from here we can write it E1 divided by E2 is equals to this IF1 into N1 divided by IF2 into N2. This current will be same, so this will become E1 divided by E2 is equals to N1 divided by N2. So we have N1 and N2 is given. E1 we can find from here, so we can find E2 from this equation. So what will be E1 will is equals to, we will apply the KVL rule. So this will be 400 minus IR. So I is 25 ampere and R is 0.2 plus 0.4 is 0.6. So E1 will be 385 volt. 385 volt. So we can calculate now the E2. So E2 will be N2 divided by N1 into E1. So N2 is 600 rpm, N1 is 800 rpm, and E1 is 385 volt. So our answer will be E2 is equals to will be 288.75. So E2 will be 288.75. Now we have to find the resistance to be connected when the speed is 600 rpm. So friends, now we will apply the KVL rule. We know the E2 and V2. So we will apply the KVL rule that E2 is equals to V minus IA2 and R2. So we know the all values. Here we will solve. E2 is 288.75 is equals to B is 400 volt minus current is same 25 into R. So we will solve that and the R will come out as 4.45. So 4.45 ohm. So in the first condition the R1 we can put it as R2. R1 was 0.6 ohm and now R2 is 4.45. So the extra resistance added is R2 minus R1 is equals to 4.45 minus 0.6. It will be, this will be 3.85 ohm. So this will be the extra resistance we have to add in the circuit. So this is the answer. Thank you.